know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
What is good, everybody? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, today I'm here coming out with another video for you guys, and it is about that time. It's another live cup for you guys, and today is going to be big. The Motion logo, or Mogo to be short, is releasing today. So everybody's, hyped up, popping perks and everything, because, it's about that time. It's not BOGO season, but it's Mogo season, so you already know what's up. Everybody's super hyped about this drop, because not only the BOGOs are dropping, the crew necks I heard are dropping too. It has like a little character on it. I don't know if it's like Chinese, Japanese, I'm not really sure, but that one's coming out as well. The drop is actually not too bad this week. It's actually really good. However, I have heard that the lighters aren't dropping today, so I was kind of bummed about that, because there was like a waterproof case for the lighter and everything, so it was pretty cool, but that's not dropping. So unfortunately, I was kind of bummed out about that. But we're not here for that. Mainly what we're here for is the Mogos. That's all we really want. They're coming out with the beanie and then the hoodies, so I don't know exactly what color I'm really trying to go for. I think I'm gonna go for the green and then maybe purple or red, depending on what's the most hyped. I think the most hyped up colorway is purple. So these are retailing, I think, $158 if I'm not wrong. $158, so that's pretty good, counting the fact that if you purchase anything $150 and over, you get free shipping. So that's actually really cool. That's a huge W, because shipping is just mighty expensive and it's just not the greatest. So that's happening. I'm probably gonna go for the green first, because I think the green looks really cool. But if you really want to resell it, I think the purple is the one to go for. Purple's the most hyped up one that I know of, and then it goes black, gray, green, whatever the case may be. If you want to play it safe, I go for the yellow or the red, because those are the least hyped up colorways and you might have a better chance of copying. Estimated resale on the hoodies, I believe, are probably not going to be any higher than maybe $350, $360. And for the beanies, I think no higher than $140. So that's my predictions of the day of after the drop. So that's what the resale predictions are going to be. That's my predictions for the most part. Over time, they might increase, who knows, but I just don't see it being any higher than $360. So I have copped a BOGO before manually, and then I had no issues. It was actually pretty easy, but you just never know what can really happen. So I'm just gonna single cart at first with the hoodie, and then try to get the beanie, and probably nothing else. I'm pretty sure those are the only two I'm really trying to go for. But yeah, before we get started with this video, make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter, Instagram, nicemike, nice with 2 E's _ Mike, as always, and like this video if you love me doing this kind of content, and subscribe to me for more content like this, and ring the bell to get notified whenever I do come out with content. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we got 1 minute left. 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm nervous as hell right now. Like, there's no sellout times right now, but the fact that in this Discord that I'm in, there's literally only one person out of 7.5 thousand people in the server copped, and it was a purple small, or a purple, I don't remember what size it was, but it was a purple hoodie, Motion logo. So I'm kind of nervous. That gets me super duper worried. So I just really want to cop this Motion logo. The top 3 were, one of them was the green colorway, so that makes me even more nervous, because I thought it was gonna be easy cop, not a hyped up colorway, but that's not the case. So yeah, we're oof, okay, it's time. It's time, and I'm already knowing that the website's gonna be shit, because this whole COVID-19, everybody's online now. Oh my god. Oh my god, come on y'all. Come on, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, come on dude. Oh my god, it's not checking out. Okay, hold on. That has never happened to me. That has never happened to me. What are you talking about? Maximum threads in the server. What the heck? I knew it, y'all. I knew it, guys. Fuck. I just fucking knew it, bro. Like, oh my god, it's already sold out. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, we're not looking too hot, guys. We're not looking too hot right now. All right, let's bounce back. Let's bounce back. Come on. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay. That's not happening. That's not happening, y'all. Why is it? Oh, in the bottom. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm about to say, nope. Bro. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they make them.
You gotta be joking with me, right? Come on, you guys gotta be joking with me. Oh my god, I got totally trolled, bro, by the website. Okay, well, let's see what else we can go for. You gotta be joking with me, dude. No smalls available. Not even worth copying then. Oh my god. What is this? Ew, what the hell is that? Bro, you gotta be actually serious, bro. Did lighters ever drop? Nope, they did not. I'm just gonna check the sources did. Nope, it did not. Of course, the Timberlands are still there. That's not a surprise. Bro, oh my god. Like, y'all, I wish I could tell you how upset I am right now.
Bruh. Bruh.
What are you talking about?
Bruh.
Oh my god. Words can't, I can't function right now, bruh. Like, that's absolutely disgusting how fast he sold out. Not only that, the website like totally crapped itself and literally just turned it into a ball and threw it right at my like optical lenses. Like, what are you talking about? Now my homie's messaging me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm pretty hurt. I'm pretty hurt right now. That hurt my ass, bro. Like that shit hurted. Ooh, let me cop some of these beanies though. Some of these beanies are pretty fine. Look at this right now. Can you add the cart though? Thank you. I'm gonna have I'm gonna add some of these beanies. Beanies are kind of fine. I'm not gonna cap. Oops, that's my other one. So we're just gonna cop this beanie. Damn, that hurts. That hurts a lot, bro. Like, I'm hurt. I am personally hurt from this, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. The process isn't taking hella long. I'm pretty hurt, y'all. I'm gonna take this drink real quick. Got it. And you know, your boy we got regular Oreos out here because, you know, we're a pleb. We don't have the actual Supreme Oreos because, you know, we take L's. Drop my pencil. I don't even know why the pencil was there. We got the beanie. That's cool. But man, this is gonna hurt. Like, that really hurt me. I'm so sad I couldn't cop a hoodie. Okay, let me look in successes real quick. See how much. Oh, of course, people. This dude got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 motion logo items. That is ridiculous, bro. Oh, I hate bot users so much. W. Bro, I caught a splattered beanie, bro. That is it. We got the neck beanie. Oh, we have another winner of the motion logo beanie, and it was a green one, the one I wanted, but it was a medium. We have another person, green. Damn, everybody's going for the green one apparently. Gray, black. All these successes, you know, congratulations to the ones that copped the beanie or the hoodie motion logo items, because your boy was not able to do that. I doubt there's going to be a restock, because I mean, they may cancel orders, they may not, but I have been hearing that there is a low stock on this item, so I doubt there's going to be any restocks. So, you know, it is what it is, man. Today we're just gonna have to hold this L, this fat L, real quick for y'all. So that's basically the video, man. So appreciate everybody for watching me for the longest time just copping L's, because this whole season is just total like brick season for me. So your boy is not copping anything hype at all this season so far. And not only that, I have heard that the CDG and Supreme collab and Undercover collab are not happening. So I'm pretty bummed out about that. So this season might as well just be long gone done, because that was the only really collab that I was looking forward to. Now the fact that it's not even a thing now, it's not looking hot. It's not looking hot. After this week, I don't know what's gonna exactly be dropping. There is gonna be another collab, but we don't know who or what it is yet. Hopefully it's pretty good. If it's not, yeah, like I said, the season's pretty much over for me, so it is what it is. But that basically sums up the video, y'all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to me as always. Link is on the bottom. There's a little red button that says subscribe. It doesn't take much to hit the like button as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll catch a W next time. Hopefully. Deuces.